In this video, I will show you how you can disable the touch on any iPad. Now, to disable the touch on your iPad, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just scroll down and tap on Guided Access. Now, if Guided Access is turned off, just turn it on from here. After that, just tap on Passcode Settings, then set a passcode for Guided Access. After that, just enter the passcode one more time to confirm the passcode. Now, if you want to enable or disable guided access using Face ID or Touch ID, just enable the toggle for Face ID or Touch ID from here. Now, to turn off the touch on your iPad, first of all, just open an app in which you want to disable the touch. For example, I will open the Notes app. Now, to turn off the touch, just press the side button on your iPad 3 times. As you can see, at the top of the iPad, you will find your volume buttons, but at the side, you will find the side button. You just press the side button 3 times, and after that, just select Start. And after you do that, you will turn off the touch on your iPad. As you can see, I am unable to open the notifications panel or the control center. I am unable to leave this app or even go to the recent app section. Now, to turn off guided access on your iPad, just press the side button 3 times. After that, just enter the passcode of guided access and select End. And after you do that, you will enable the touch back on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.